Energy efficiency has become increasingly important in today's world, and many people are looking for ways to reduce their energy consumption and costs. One way to do this is by using UFO LED high bay light, which are energy efficient and have a high lumen output. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of it, including their energy efficiency, luminous efficiency, color temperature, and beam angle. When selecting LED UFO light, there are several factors to consider, such as the size of the space, the height of the ceiling, and the desired lighting levels. It is essential to choose the right lumen output, color temperature, and beam angle to ensure optimal lighting performance. When comparing traditional high bay lights and UFO LED high bay light, LED lights have clear advantages in terms of power consumption and energy efficiency. UFO LED high bay lights are designed to produce the same brightness as traditional high bay lights while using less electricity. This means lower electricity bills and lower energy consumption. 200-watt LED light can replace 400-watt metal halide high bay light. The lights are designed to provide a high lumen output while using less energy than traditional high bay lights. They are an excellent choice for large commercial and industrial spaces, such as warehouses, factories, and gymnasiums. These lights have a high efficiency rating of up to 150 lumens per watt, which means they can produce more light with less energy. It is also essential to consider the color temperature of the lights. Different color temperatures can affect the mood and productivity of workers. For example, a warmer color temperature may create a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere, while a cooler color temperature may increase alertness and productivity. The color temperature can be chosen to meet the needs of different environments. They are available in 3 color temperatures: 3000 Kelvin, 4500 Kelvin, and 6000 Kelvin. The 3000 Kelvin color temperature provides a warm, yellowish light that is similar to incandescent bulbs. The 4500 Kelvin color temperature is a neutral white light that is suitable for general lighting. The 6000 Kelvin color temperature is a cool, bluish-white light that is ideal for areas that require a high level of brightness. The beam angle can also be chosen to suit different applications. They are available in 3 beam angles: 60 degree, 90 degree, and 120 degree. The 60 degree is ideal for areas that require a narrow, focused beam of light, such as in high shelving areas. The 90 degree is suitable for general lighting in large areas, such as warehouses. The 120 degree is ideal for areas that require a wide, diffuse beam of light, such as gymnasiums. For large spaces with high ceilings, it is recommended to use UFO LED high bay light with a higher lumen output and a wider beam angle. This will ensure that the light is evenly distributed throughout the space, providing sufficient illumination for workers and equipment. In addition to their energy efficiency, UFO LED high bay light have a long lifespan and require minimal maintenance. They have an average lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, which means they can last up to 10 times longer than traditional high bay lights. This can significantly reduce maintenance costs and downtime, which is essential for businesses that rely on continuous operations. UFO LED high bay light is also environmentally friendly. They do not contain hazardous materials, such as mercury or lead, which are present in traditional high bay lights. This means they can be safely disposed of and recycled, reducing their environmental impact. Another benefit is their instant-on feature. They do not require any warm-up time and can be turned on and off instantly, making them an excellent choice for areas that require instant lighting, such as loading docks or emergency exits. In conclusion, UFO LED high bay light is an excellent choice for businesses looking to reduce their energy consumption and costs. They offer high lumen output, customizable color temperatures and beam angles, and long lifespans, making them an ideal lighting solution for large commercial and industrial spaces. When selecting and installing LED UFO light, it is essential to consider factors such as the size of the space, the height of the ceiling, and the desired lighting levels, to ensure optimal lighting performance and safety. If you are looking to maximize energy efficiency in your commercial or industrial space, consider switching to UFO LED high bay light.